Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we'll be discussing the VPS hosting, a more advanced option for websites that require additional resources beyond what regular web hosting can offer. So we'll use Hostinger as an example to explain you how VPS hosting works and the features that come with their plans. Now let's talk about what is VPS hosting. VPS, or Virtual Private Server Hosting, provides a middle ground between shared hosting and dedicated hosting. So to help you illustrate, think of a shared hosting as renting a room in a dormitory where resources like bandwidth and storage are shared among all residents. In contrast, VPS hosting is akin to renting a studio apartment within the same building. You still share the building's infrastructure, but you have your own dedicated resources and greater privacy. So this makes VPS hosting a more robust solution for those who need more power than shared hosting offers but don't require a fully dedicated server. Now, what are the benefits of VPS hosting? So VPS hosting offers several advantages over shared hosting. Firstly, it significantly boosts website performance. With VPS, your website enjoys better stability and can handle more traffic while processing data more efficiently. So Hostinger's VPS plans, for example, use NVMe storage, which is 10 to 20 times faster than standard SSDs. Paired with 300 megabytes of network speed, this results in a noticeable upgrade, particularly beneficial for websites experiencing growth or managing complex operations. Now, another key benefit is the level of control it provides. Well, VPS hosting gives you root access to server environment, allowing you to install and manage any software your website might need. So this is especially useful for those running custom applications or experimenting with different programming languages. Essentially, VPS hosting gives you the flexibility to tailor your hosting environment precisely to your needs. Now let's talk about the scalability and plans. Scalability is another critical feature of VPS hosting. As your business grows, so can your hosting capabilities. With VPS, you can start with minimal resources and gradually increase your hosting plan to accommodate the changing demands of your website. Hostinger, for instance, offers 4 different VPS plans. So these plans vary from 1 to 8 CPU cores up to 30 GB of RAM and 1 to 8 terabyte of bandwidth. So this flexibility is particularly important for businesses that anticipate fluctuations in website traffic and resource requirements. How about the security features? On the security front, VPS hosting is generally more secure than shared hosting. So since your server space is not shared with other users, the risk of infections or data breaches is significantly lower. So this makes VPS hosting a better option for website handling, sensitive transactions, or personal data. So Hostinger enhances security by providing weekly backups, malware scanner, firewall protection, and DDoS protection as part of their VPS plans. Now, how about the cost effectiveness? From a financial perspective, VPS hosting offers a cost-effective solution, and it provides many of the benefits of a dedicated server at a fraction of the cost, making it an attractive option for businesses looking for a powerful hosting solution without a hefty price tag. So for example, Hostinger's most expensive VPS plans is priced around $18 per month, which is quite competitive considering the resources and performance enhancements you receive. So when to consider VPS hosting? VPS hosting is particularly suitable for websites that have outgrown shared hosting but don't yet need dedicated server. So it's very ideal for sites experiencing growth, needing better performance, enhanced security, and greater scalability. So for instance, if you're running an e-commerce website that's starting to attract more traffic and your current shared hosting plan can't keep up, upgrading to a VPS plan is a logical next step. So this ensures you have the necessary resources to meet growing demand and maintain a smooth user experience. So in conclusion, VPS hosting offers a balanced solution for those needing more than what shared hosting can provide, but aren't ready to invest in a dedicated server. It's perfect for growing business or websites that require better performance, security, and scalability. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.